Hey everyone, welcome back to Petrolheads Club. Today, we're talking about something every car lover dreams about, owning a real sports car without spending a fortune. Sure, we'd all love to pull up in a Porsche, Ferrari, or Lamborghini, but the truth is, most of us aren't working with a six-figure budget. And that's okay, because there are amazing used sports cars that deliver huge driving fun for less than $25,000. Brand new sports cars at this price don't exist anymore, but the used market? It's full of late model gems with under 60,000 miles that offer real performance, real excitement, and incredible value. Let's break down 3 of the best sports cars under 25 grand cars that are absolutely worth every penny. Let's start with a legend, the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Fans love to say Miata is always the answer, and honestly, they're not wrong. The ND generation, which includes 2016 models and newer, is considered the best version ever of Mazda's iconic roadster. Power numbers range from 155 to 181 horsepower, depending on the year. Not huge numbers, but that's not what the Miata is about. What makes it magic is its lightweight design, sharp handling, and pure driver engagement. Whether you choose the classic soft top or the RF with the power folding Targa roof, the Miata delivers fun at every speed. Yes, you can get it with an automatic. But let's be honest, the 6-speed manual is where the real joy lives. If you want a car that makes every drive feel special, the Miata deserves to be at the top of your list. Next up, the Subaru BRZ, one of the most balanced, affordable sports cars on the market today. Used 2022 BRZs and newer are in this price range, and they offer a slightly different flavor than the Miata. In a recent comparison test, the Miata won by a tiny margin in pure engagement. But the BRZ fights back with better practicality. It has 4 seats, even if the rear ones are best for kids or shorter adults. It also has a surprisingly useful trunk, especially since the rear seats fold down. It's not the most powerful thing out there, but its low weight, excellent steering, and playful chassis make it a joy to drive even at lower speeds. Like the Miata, the manual transmission is the enthusiast's choice, but the automatic still offers plenty of fun. Overall, the BRZ is one of the best all-around sports cars you can buy today, especially used. And finally, if you like the Subaru BRZ but can't find one with the right options or mileage, the Toyota GR86 is your perfect backup plan, or even the better choice for some drivers. The GR86, available used from 2022 and up, is basically the same car as the BRZ underneath. Same layout, same power, same driving feel, just with Toyota's styling and tuning tweaks. It also has seating for 4, good cargo room, and the same choice of a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic. We all know which one enthusiasts prefer, but no judgment if you go automatic. If you want a thrilling sports car that won't empty your wallet, the GR86 absolutely deserves a spot on your test drive list. And there you have it, 3 late model sports cars under $25,000 that prove you don't need supercar money to have supercar fun. Which one would you choose? The Miata, the BRZ, or the GR86? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Petrolheads Club. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car guides, reviews, and breakdowns. See you in the next one.